Today I'm getting fries with ice cream and burger. Mom.
May taste this one. Oh. Marumi ang tape na. Meron pa. Huwag itapos sa damit.
Sorry guys.
Kainin mo na yung stop na yung tablet mo na ba?
Go. French fries with ice cream. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Sorry guys, that was just so blurry. Another french fries. Yeah. I'm not gonna do that. Still two french fries left. Mom, why would you eat this ice? It's my first time to go out to Jollibee. Sorry guys, I actually took it.
Busin mo na yung ice cream mo, please.
Ice cream? Ice cream yummy.
Ano kasi dati nandyan na sa labas.
Can I take up yung ice cream?
Wala yan silang lagayan. Mahulog yan. De? Saan ka banda? Binugaw pa. Sige.
Wow. Yeah.
Huwag iluwa. Bilisan mo. Malapit na si Daddy.
Guys, we're gonna be fast because my dad's outside. He didn't want to.
Dali na ka. Nandiyan na si Dad. Uy. Fries ka pa? Fries. Dali na. Yan na lang yun ang ginaantay sa iyo. Brain freeze ka. Brain freeze. Ganyan mo yung chocolate sa gilid.
What happened to you, Mom? Mom, I I got ice cream.
Bilisan mo ba?
Last thing. One. What is have today? Oh, I can feel my ice cream stuck here. It makes me brain freeze. Hi guys. See?
Let's go. Punasan mo yung kamay mo. Let's go na.
So bye.
Pasok mo yun ito.